St. Monica Senior High School. And Aduman Senior High School. Presby Senior High Technical School, Aburi. Presby Senior High Technical School, Aburi is represented by
Baxter man of final year.
Gideon Kumi final year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you?
You're fine, thank you.
Good. You are a seeded school?
Yes.
Okay. First, I want to know about the school, then I want to find out about what your seniors told you, because it was the first time you were seeded, right? Last year. So let's go that way.
Presbyterian Senior Technical School Aburi was established in 1991, and the school is a mixed school, and it is located behind the Aburi Botanical Gardens. And then they told us that when we came for the first time, we went through the prelims and also through the 1-8, but we met Ghana National and then they eliminated us. But they said, with God on our side, we're going to win.
Wow, good. I like your spirit. So, you said you're going to win. You're going to win the whole thing or this contest?
The battle is the Lord, so we go.
One step at a time?
Yes.
All right. Best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Aduman Senior High School. Aduman Senior High School is represented by
Patrick Impact Tambo, final year.
You are welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
And how are you?
We are fine.
Very well. Aduman Senior High School, this is your first time at the National Science and Math Quiz. Welcome.
Thank you.
All right. So just a little about your school, and then we'll go on to the prelims. What happened there?
Aduman Senior High School was established in 1964 as a training college and was later converted to senior high school, secondary school, that is 1972. It was established by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, who was a friend to the then king of Aduman town, Nana Basari. The king, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah asked the king what he can do for him, and the king, we met at high school. And
everybody is right in his own eye, but God is the final judge. Today we shall be victorious.
All right, that's good to know. Best wishes.
Thank you.
St. Monica Senior High School. St. Monica Senior High School is represented by
Aduman, final year.
I've been out of Rabankram, final year.
You are very welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
We are fine.
Good. Can you tell us a little about your school?
Well, St. Monica Senior High School was established in 1946 and is located in Asante Mampo in the Ashanti region. And our school motto is Cosa Conscientia, which means let your conscience be your guide.
And the prelims, how did it go for you?
The prelims, we met OKS, that was SHTS Senior High, and St. John's Secondary, but unfortunately we lost. But we know this time it's going to be well.
Good. Best wishes to you. So we have met the contestants. Some are actually thinking bigger than this contest. Others are focusing on this contest. Whatever it is, we shall find out soon enough. Before I sit down to begin, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We also have support from TIGO, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. We are produced by Primetime. Before I sit down, my name is Dr. Elsie Ifa Kaufman. I am a senior lecturer in the Department of Biomedical Engineering, University of Ghana. I'm your quiz mistress. Contestants, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. This round has simple, direct questions that require simple, direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If the answer is right, a bonus point. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds maximum in which you can present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to present that answer. All of the questions are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. The first set of questions will require about 30 seconds of your time, and I'm going to start with Aduman. Your question. A salt My has solubility product of 4.9 times 10 raised to the power negative 9 at 25 degrees Celsius. What is its solubility at 25 degrees Celsius? Please give the unit of your answer. Who is answering? Yes, Nkpek.
7.0 times 10 to the power negative 5 mole per dm cube.
You're right. Presby Senior High Technical School. An inorganic salt with molar mass 73 has solubility of 0.15 mole per decimeter cubed at 30 degrees Celsius. Calculate the mass of the salt that will be needed to prepare 300 centimeter cubed of a saturated solution at 30 degrees Celsius. Please give your answer to 3 places of decimal. Yes, Buxton.
0.045 grams.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. The right answer is 3.285 grams. Same monikers. A salt MX, molar mass 70, has a solubility product of 8.10 times 10 raised to the power -7 at 25 degrees Celsius. Calculate its solubility in gram per decimeter cubed at 25 degrees Celsius. Yes, Bernice.
5.67 times 10 raised to the power -9 gram per dm cube.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Which of you, Mpek?
0.063 gram per dm cube.
You're right. Preamble to all schools. When I get to your school, I will give you a group of arthropods. Please state the number of antennae possessed by the group of arthropods I give you. I hope you got that. All right. So now, Aduman, crustaceans. Yes, Amadou.
2 pairs.
2 pairs.
Yes. Presby, insects. Yes, Gideon.
2 pair.
No, that's incorrect. Go ahead, Abna.
1 pair.
Yes. With the same preamble, your major question. Arachnids. Yes, Abna.
0.
0. They don't have. Preamble to all schools. Preamble to all schools. Please find the odd one out and give a reason for your answer. The reason is paramount. Find the odd one out and give a reason for your answer. Okay, so your options, Edumai. A, function. B, mapping. C, bisection. D, relation. Yes, which of you? Amadou.
It is bisection because the rest relate one group to another group.
Okay. All right, with the same preamble, Presby, your options: A, angle, B, quadrilateral, C, pyramid, and D, circle. Yes, Gideon.
The answer is circle because the rest are solid figures.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you, please? Mpek.
The answer is angle because the rest are plane figures.
No. The right answer is pyramid. The others are all plane figures, but a pyramid is a solid three-dimensional figure. Same monikers. Your options: A, 125, B, 64, C, 216, and D, 625. Yes, Abna.
64. Because all of them are raised the power 3.
That's
Cubic.
incorrect. Yes, which of you? Amadou.
625, because the rest are perfect cube.
Yes. The next set, 30 seconds. Your major question, Aduman. The coefficient of linear expansion of an alloy is 2 times 10 to the power -5 per Kelvin. Find the change in area of a square alloy plate of side 10 centimeter when its temperature changes from 5 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Yes, in Peck.
0.04 meters square.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Yes, which of you? Bernice.
0.004 centimeters square.
No. The right answer, your units were wrong. 0.04 centimeters squared. Now, Presby. The area of a square plate of side 10 centimeter increases by 6.4 times 10 to the power -2 centimeters squared when its temperature changes from 8 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Find the coefficient of linear expansion of the material of the plate. It's your hand up, Baxton. Go ahead.
3.2 times 10 exponent -3 per Kelvin.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you, Bernice?
64 times 10 exponent -5 per Kelvin.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 1.6 times 10 to the power -5 per Kelvin. -5 degrees Celsius. Bernice.
33.6 times 10 raised to the power -7 centimeter cube.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 4 times 10 to the power 2 centimeters squared, or 400 centimeters squared. All right, 10 seconds. Aduman, which metal is the most abundant in the Earth's crust? Yes, Amadou.
Aluminium.
Yes. Which is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust? Yes, Gideon.
Silicon.
That's incorrect. Yes, Abna.
Hydrogen.
No. It's oxygen. Say, Monikers. Which is the most abundant element in the universe? Yes, Bernice.
Hydrogen.
Yes. Preamble to all schools. Preamble. The locations at which certain types of atoms, molecules, ions, or substance are absorbed in the digestive tract are called absorption sites. State the absorption sites of the following. Did you get your preamble? All right, Aduman. Water-soluble vitamins. Yes, Amadou.
The stomach.
That's incorrect. For a bonus, is the small intestine. With the same preamble, Presby, fat-soluble vitamins. Buxton.
The duodenum.
I'm not accepting it for a bonus. Small intestine. Same monikers with the same preamble. Amino acids. Yes, Abna.
The liver.
For a bonus. And cake.
Small intestine.
Yes. All right, for the next set, you have 30 seconds, and I have a preamble. Preamble. Given the function y is equal to 6 minus 6 sine 3x, find, let me repeat that. Given the function y is equal to 6 minus 6 multiplied by sine of 3x, find. You have the preamble. Good. Now I do mine. The range of the function. Peck.
Y such that y is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 12.
I'm not going to accept it. Yes, Venice.
Y is such that 0 less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 12.
Yes, is that full range? With the same preamble, Presby, the period t of the function. Yes, Buxton.
120 degrees. 120 degrees.
Yes. With the same preamble, same monikers. The amplitude A of the function. Abna.
-6.
That's incorrect. Which of you? Amadou.
6.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds. Aduman, degrees to the horizon. Yes, and Peck.
100 root-3 Newton.
You're right. Presby, an object of mass 40 kilogram is stationary on a plane inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. Find the friction force on the object. Yes, Buxton.
200 with 3 newtons. 200 with 3 newtons.
That's incorrect for bonus. Yes, and Peck.
200 Newton.
You're right. Same Monikers. An object of mass 20 kilogram is stationary on a flat plank inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal. Find the normal force on the plank. Yes, Bernice.
100 newtons.
You're right. And that brings us to the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Presby Senior High Technical School Aburi has 3 points. St. Monica Senior High School has 8 points. Aduman Senior High School has 19 points. Four more rounds to go. Round 2. This round is also known as a speed race. The questions in the round are directed to all 3 schools simultaneously. In order to get an opportunity to answer a question, you need to ring your bell. May I hear your bell, Presby? Thank you. Edumai? Thank you. St. Monica's? Thank you. If you ring and answer correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. On the third attempt, 1 point. If you attempt a question and you are unable to answer, there is a penalty point at every step. For questions that require calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds in which to present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have a maximum of 10 seconds. Best wishes, everyone. First question, 10 seconds. Please state Lami's theorem. This is the theorem. If three concurrent, coplanar, non-collinear forces are in equilibrium, the ratio of the magnitude of one force to the sine of the angle between the other two forces is the same for each of them. I'm sure you've been using it. All right. Next question, 30 seconds. What is the difference in energy between a 200 nanometer photon and a 400 nanometer photon? The right answer is 5 times 10 to the power negative 19 joule. 30 seconds. A conducting bar of uniform cross-section carrying a 40.0 ampere current has a potential difference of 100.0 millivolts between two sections 0.2 meters apart. Find the resistance per unit length of the bar. Yes, which of you? Paxton?
12.5 ampere meter.
No, that's incorrect. They rang next. Okay, go ahead, Amadou.
1.25 times 10 to the power
minus
2 ohms per meter.
You are right. For the next set, 30 seconds. Given A is equal to log of 5 and B is equal to log of 3, express log of 75 in terms of A and B. Yes, which of you? Yes, Bernice.
2A plus B.
You are right. If A is acute and tangent of A is equal to 1 over Q, find sine of A. Bernice.
Sine of A equal to 1 over root of 1 plus Q square.
Yes. The point A with coordinates 4, 4 is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. Find the coordinates of the image point. Yes, Mpek.
negative 4, 4.
That's incorrect. Yes, Bernice?
4, -4.
That's right. Next set. 10 seconds maximum for each of them. What is the difference between nectins and planktons in terms of movement in water? Next question, 30 seconds. Two geometric isomers, A and B, which are organic acids, have enthalpies of formation of negative 5,524 kilojoule per mole and negative 5,545 kilojoule per mole, respectively. Which of the isomers is cis and which is trans? Yes, Buxton.
The isomer B is cis and that of A is trans.
That's incorrect. Aduman. Yes, Nkpek.
The isomer B is cis and A is trans.
Oh, go ahead. Which of you? Abna.
They are all trans.
I wasn't even done with the question. Give your reasons. That was the last part. All right, so now A is cis and B is trans. Normally, trans isomers are more stable than cis isomers. The enthalpy of formation of negative 5,545 kilojoule per mole is an indication of greater stability than negative 5,524 kilojoule per mole. The other way you could have explained it is that conversion of A to B involves a delta H of negative 21 kilojoule, and this is thermodynamically more favorable than conversion of B to A, which has positive 21 kilojoule. Next question, 30 seconds. Give the following gases in increasing rate of diffusion. The gases are A, Cl2, B, CF2Cl2, and C, SO2. Who rang? Yes, Buxton.
We have CF2Cl2. We have Cl2 and then SO2.
Yes. Last question of the round. 10 seconds. Why do network covalent solids have higher melting points than molecular solids? Yes, Nkpek.
The network covalent solid has stronger intermolecular forces than the molecular forces, which is van der Waals dipole and induced dipole.
If it were round one and you had choices of partial credit, I would give you something, but no. So the rest, I'm making it available to the rest. Okay, even after that hint for you to continue where they had left off, you didn't take it up. All right. So the molecular solids consist of discrete molecules that are held together by weak intermolecular forces. Melting only breaks down these weak forces. The network covalent solids are giant molecules whose atoms are held by strong, I wanted to hear, covalent bonds. These are covalent bonds. Melting them involves breaking the strong covalent bonds or providing enough average kinetic energy to the very heavy molecules. That brings us to the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, Presby Senior High Technical School Aburi has 7 points. St. Monica Senior High School has 15 points. Aduman Senior High School has 21 points. Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you will have 3 minutes in which to present an answer from your school. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. The iron content of a nail weighing 11.20 grams was determined by dissolving the entire nail in concentrated H2SO4 and diluting the solution to 250 centimeter cubed in a volumetric flask. 25.0 centimeter cubed of the solution containing iron 2+ ions required 20.0 centimeter cubed of 0.18 mole per decimeter cubed KMnO4 solution for complete reaction. 1. Write a balanced equation for the reaction between MnO4- and Fe2+ in acidic solution. 2. Calculate the percentage iron in the nail and give your answer to 1 place of decimal. The atomic mass for iron is 56. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Please stop writing and present your answers. Contestants, please pick up your notepads and present your answers on the board. The contestants have presented their answers. Before I award the marks, let's look at the suggested solution from our consultants. This is a problem in chemistry. So we are told that we have iron, a nail, weighing 11.2 grams, and we wanted to find the content, how much iron there was in the nail. Obviously, it's not pure. So the nail was dissolved in concentrated H2SO4, and the solution that was obtained was diluted to 250 centimeter cubed in a volumetric flask. Then 25.0 centimeter cubed of the solution that had the iron 2 plus ions took 20.0 centimeter cubed of 0.18 mole per decimeter cubed KMnO4 solution for complete reaction. Contestants were to do two things. The first was to write a balanced equation for the reaction between MnO4 minus and Fe2 plus in acidic solution. The balanced equation is MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe2 plus nil, and to give the answer is 1 point and 1 point there. But we are not done because we have to wind up with the grams so that we can check how pure this nail is in terms of iron content. So that we need to calculate the moles of iron 2 plus in the 250 centimeter cube solution that we have. So we take the concentration in mole per decimeter cube and we divide by 4 because it's from decimeter cubed, but this is 250 centimeter cubed, which is a quarter. That's why we divide by 4. So we take 0.72 divided by 4, and that gives 0.18 moles. That's the number of moles of iron that we have. Now let's convert this number of moles to a mass of iron. By the way, for calculating the number of moles, 1 point. Then, so we take the number of moles multiplied by atomic mass. So that gives 0.18 multiplied by 56 to give 10.08 grams, 1 point. Then finally, we now have the mass in grams of iron present, and we know how much we put in. So we are going to calculate L, which is 11.0. Contestants. Aduman. It was a disaster. Not even the balanced equation. So 1 out of 10. Presby Senior High Technical School. You got the balanced equation right, 3 points. Then you set something up, but that is actually not correct. If you had gone through to calculate, it would not have been the right one. Okay, so I can't give you anything else. Since I gave Aduman 1, I'm going to add 1 to your 3 to make a 4 out of 10. St. Monica's, you started well. Balanced equation, 3 points. Then you set up the equation to calculate the concentration in mole per decimeter cube. That was correct, so 2 points. You actually got the correct value for the concentration in mole per decimeter cubed, 1 more point. And then things started going badly from there. Since I gave these guys an extra point, I'm going to add 1 to it to make it 7 out of 10. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 3. You may pick up your notepads. Before we begin the 4th round, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We are also supported by TIGO, GOL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. We are produced by Primetime. Thank you. Round 4. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider the statement very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. When a school rings and answers correctly, in this case, 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect, there is that penalty point. Best wishes, everyone. I'm starting with Presby. Your statement. If there is no correlation between X and Y, the coefficient of correlation, R, is equal to 0. Yes, Gideon?
It's true.
Yes. St. Monica's. For maximum correlation, the coefficient of correlation, R, is equal to plus or minus 1. Yes, Bernice?
It's false.
Oh, that's the true statement. Aduman. Correlation is the same as regression. Amadou?
It's false.
Yes. For the next set, I have a preamble. Preamble to all schools. State whether the following functions of alveoli are true or false. Did you get the preamble? All right, Presby. They increase the surface area available for gaseous exchange. Yes, Gideon?
It's true.
Yes. They increase the flow of blood through the lung. Yes, Abna?
True.
No. Aduman. They filter particulate matter before it enters the bloodstream. Yes, Amadou?
False.
Yes. Presby. The smallest value of orbital angular momentum, the electron in a Bohr atom.
It's true.
Yes. The smallest value of orbital angular momentum the electron in a hydrogen atom can have is h bar. Did they make it? No. Does anyone else want it? Ring for it. Yes, Baxton.
It's true.
No. Edumai. In a Bohr atom, the greater the energy of the electron, the greater its orbital angular momentum. Amadou?
It's true.
Yes. Presby. 2-methyl-butan-2-ol is a secondary alkanol. Baxton?
It's false.
Yes. Simonicus. 2-propanol will show optical isomerism. Abna?
False.
Yes. Edumai. Alkanols and water are related structurally. Yes, Amadou?
It's true.
Yes. For the next set, I have a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Preamble. In the following, A and B are events, and P of A is the probability of the event A. Did you get the preamble? All right. Presby. If P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B, then A and B are mutually exclusive or disjoint. Yes, Buxton?
It's true.
Yes. Same monikers with the same preamble. If A and B are independent, then -1 less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1. Amadou?
False.
Yes. Presby. Any response resulting in curvature of organs towards or away from stimulus is called tropism. Yes, Baxton?
It's false.
No, it's true. Say, Monicas. Oxen is produced in root tips and is transported up the stem. Yes, Abna.
False.
Yes. Aduman, the activity of vascular cambium is under the control of oxen transport. Yes, Amadou.
It's false.
No, that's a true statement. Presby. The average kinetic energy of an ideal gas molecule in a gas at room temperature is proportional to the square of the average velocity of the molecule. Yes, Gideon?
It's false.
Yes. The average kinetic energy of an ideal gas molecule in a gas at room temperature is proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. Yes, Bernice?
It's true.
Yes. The average speed of an ideal gas molecule in a gas at room temperature is greater than the magnitude of the average velocity of the molecule. Amadou?
It's false.
No, that's a true statement. Last set of statements. Presby. Natural gas and LPG are sometimes used in driving the turbines to generate electricity in the thermal plants at Aburi and Tema in Ghana. Yes, Gideon?
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Those of you who haven't gone there, the gases serve as fuel to convert water into steam. It's the steam that drives the turbines. Okay, I hope you've learned something. Good. All right. Say Monikers. Dynamite, discovered by Alfred Nobel in 1807, is simply nitroglycerin absorbed onto clay or sawdust. Yes, Bernice?
True.
Yes. Edu, my last statement. Dynamite is able to perform its function because of sudden change in volume when nitroglycerin breaks down. Yes, Amadou?
It's true.
Yes. And nobody should go and play with dynamite. That brings us to the end of the 4th round. the end of the fourth round, Presby Senior High Technical School, Aburi, has 23 points. St. Monica Senior High School has 30 points. Aduman Senior High School has 32 points. This is a very close contest which will be decided in the fifth and final round. Round 5. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. In order to solve a riddle, you need to ring your bell. May I hear your bell, Presby? Thank you. Aduman. Thank you. St. Monica's. Thank you. When you ring, your answer must be ready. There are 4 riddles. First one. I am an object which is under ideal. Let me start. I am an object which under ideal conditions may follow a path that is a conic section. In some common cases you have witnessed, my path is a parabola. I am the object of study in... Yes, go ahead, Baxton.
Projectile.
You're right. I have started reading the third clue, 3 points. Next one. I am mostly an industrial material. I could also be a substance used in the laboratory. When I am pure, I have high ability to absorb chemicals. I could also be regarded as an inorganic material capable of existing in several crystalline forms. When I am mined as a natural product, my name and a natural number. I have divisors apart from myself and one. You can say I am a product of primes. I am definitely not a prime. I have at least 2 prime factors. An example of me is 6. Who rang? Yes, go ahead, Venice.
12.
No. Yes, Aduman.
Composite numbers.
You are right. I read the 6th and final clue, 3 points. Last riddle. I am a common feature in the sexual reproduction of many organisms. In single-celled organisms, I can divide asexually by mitosis to produce identical offspring. Yes, Baxton.
Cell division. Cell division.
No. You rang.
Gamete.
No. You didn't ring. Okay, I continue. In multicellular organisms, I represent the first stage in the development of a genetically unique organism. In land plants, I am formed within a chamber called the archegonium. I am an eukaryotic cell formed by the fusion of 2 gametes. So who am I? Yes, Bernice?
Zygote.
You are right. I read all the clues, 3 points. And that's the end of the 5th round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Points. Aduman Senior High School has 35 points. Presby Senior High Technical School, Aburi, thank you for being here. Unfortunately, this is where we have to part ways. Best wishes to you. St. Monica Senior High School, thank you for being here as well and for giving us a good contest. Unfortunately, I must say goodbye. All the best. Aduman Senior High School. Congratulations on winning the contest. Amadou, I remember you saying you are here to win, and you have. This is amazing. First time and already seeded. Well done. Well done. Please prepare well, and I look forward to seeing you in the quarterfinals. Best wishes. Viewers, this contest ended in an interesting fashion. But we are not done yet with the 1A stage of competition. Please make plans to join us next time when we bring you Kumasi Secondary Technical School, Insign Senior High School, and Mauli School. Before we leave, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We are also sponsored by TIGO, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. We are produced by Primetime. Thank you once again for joining us for this contest, and see you next time. Bye.